Hello everyone. This is englishtutorhub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today we shall be looking at what is a superlative. Let's get started. What is a superlative? Superlative is used to say that a thing, person, or an idea has more or less particularity than other similar things. Superlative is used to say that a thing, a person, or an idea has more or less particularity than other similar things. To do this, we use superlative adjectives. To do this, we use superlative adjectives. Look at the following examples. Look at the following examples. The Everest is the highest mountain in the world. The Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Nathan is the best football player in the team. Nathan is the best football player in the team. Now let's look at the formation of English superlative adjectives. There are several types. Now let's look at the formation of English superlative adjectives. There are several types. Adjectives with one syllable. Adjectives with one syllable. Examples: fast, great, quick, short, tall. Fast, great, quick, short, tall. It is necessary to add est. It is necessary to add est. Cheap, the cheapest. Cheap, the cheapest. High, the highest. High, the highest. Adjectives with one syllable ending in E. Adjectives with one syllable ending in E. Example: close, huge, large, strange. Example: close, huge, large, strange. It is necessary to add st. It is necessary to add st. Nice, the nicest. Nice, the nicest. Wise, the wisest. Wise, the wisest. Adjectives that end in consonant, vowel, consonant. Adjectives that end in consonant, vowel, consonant. Example: fat, red, sad, thin. Example: fat, red, sad, thin. It is necessary to add a consumption plus est. It is necessary to add a consumption plus est. Big, the biggest. Big, the biggest. Hot, the hottest. Hot, the hottest. Adjectives in two syllables ending with y. Adjectives in two syllables ending with y. Example: heavy, tiny. Example: heavy, tiny. It is necessary to replace the y by iest. It is necessary to replace the y by iest. Happy, the happiest. Happy, the happiest. Crazy, the craziest. Early, the earliest. Easy, the easiest. Pretty, the prettiest. Adjectives in two or more syllables. Example: important, delicious, generous. Example: important, delicious, generous. It's necessary to add the most slash the least. It's necessary to add the most slash the least. Beautiful, the most beautiful. Beautiful, the most beautiful. Expensive, the most expensive. Expensive, the most expensive. Superlative irregular adjectives. Superlative irregular adjectives. Good, the best. Good, the best. Bad, the worst. Bad, the worst. Far, the farthest. Far, the farthest. Little, the smallest. Little, the smallest. To say that two things are equal. As da da da, as da da da. To say that two things are equal. As da da da, as da da da. He's as tall as me. He's as tall as me. Tom's bike is as fast as mine. Tom's bike is as fast as mine. We use not as plus adjective plus as to say that two things are not equal. We use not as plus adjective plus as to say that two things are not equal. Danny's car is not as fast as mine. Danny's car is not as fast as mine. Superlatives can be modified by, with, by, far, easily, and nearly. Superlatives can be modified with, by, far, easily, and nearly. Ti Amo is by far the best restaurant in town. Ti Amo is by far the best restaurant in town. She is nearly the oldest in the class. She is nearly the oldest in the class. If there is a possessive in the sentence, we do not use the with the adjective superlative. If there is a possessive in the sentence, we do not use the with the adjective superlative. Her strongest point is her ambition. Her strongest point is her ambition. Be careful not to confuse superlative and comparisons. Be careful not to confuse superlatives and comparisons. So this video ends here about what is a superlative. Thanks for watching.